Think AI. Be part of the revolution with unpassive, the future of business. Artificial intelligence empowering the path to safe artificial intelligence. Enabling AI-powered applications to be rapidly deployed and scaled while exploring and navigating to institution-wide automation. Unleash the power of artificial intelligence. OnPassive offers an end-to-end platform that democratizes AI, enabling every employee and customer with modern AI technology and easy-to-use apps. Operate. Deploy models in any environment and enable drift detection, custom alarms, automatic retraining, and real-time monitoring. Consume. OnPassive enables data science teams to rapidly share their applications with colleagues and business clients, accelerating company-wide adoption. Model. OnPassive's award-winning automatic AI and ML technology solve the most challenging issues, including time series and natural language processing. Everything you need to succeed with AI. OnPassive is building several exciting products featuring artificial intelligence. Our research laboratory engineers and data scientists are working on developing solutions that help businesses work more effectively. OnPassive's products are built with core technology and innovation that assists in multi-level automation, enabling unparalleled digital transformation. Every business needs artificial intelligence, but not every organization has the capability to fabricate, keep up, and generate value from AI in-house. OnPassive makes AI accessible to all businesses, not merely the largest enterprises. By harnessing and tackling the power of your data to assist, not displace humans at work, we improve business effectiveness, profitability, and productivity. Grow revenues and profits. OnPassive's products are built with core technology and innovation, keeping in mind the functionalities that can redefine how a business operates, grows, and accelerates its path to success. OnPassive's AI system fuels competitive advantage. It adds an intelligence layer to existing frameworks and enables deep insights to make predictive analyses, enhancing the effectiveness of every business strategy. Our AI applications offer organizations better service responses, less downtime, efficient employee management, streamlined workflow, and a simplified manufacturing process. Tackling the obstacles with solutions that persists. Artificial intelligence transforms how we collaborate with machines to make progress and breakthroughs reliable and every target achievable. Join us to build the next big tech. OnPassive's AI Research Lab has modeled its solutions to change the modus operandi of various SaaS products. The current solutions have only quietly created a stagnant disruption impacting the existing technologies. We were exploring every option and chose not to leave any stone unturned. We will be pleased to have you on board if you think you have a similar interest. The tech wizards at OnPassive will get back to you with a possible collaboration to assist you. OnPassive aligns simulated AI with your overall business methodology, supporting you to focus on using a case to begin with. OnPassive's AI system integrates with your current business frameworks, so there's no need to rip and replace. AI solutions are configured and designed to address your issues, each focusing on optimizing explicit business functions. We deliver accurate business results with a scope of solutions across the value chain, embedding data-driven decision-making into every aspect of your business. OnPassive ingests, unifies, and transforms your data to deliver quick outcomes within a short time to add value.